Predominant purpose, that's the test we run. Goods or services, gotta pick the one. If services or land are the heart of the deal, common law's the boss, that's the Florida feel. Essential terms, gotta be locked down tight. Party, subject, price, get it airtight. For land you need the legal description too. No missing price, no missing terms will do. We'll agree later, nah, that will not fly. Agreements to agree, Florida says goodbye. Mirror image rule, no deviation allowed. Match the offer exact, arrested counter offer loud. Florida, Florida, strict as can be. Every essential term or no contract for me. Mailbox rule says dispatch is the day, but options need receipt, that's the option way. Legal benefit, legal detriment too, that's consideration, plain and true. But moral debts don't count, no matter the cause. Rescue my cat once, still not enforceable, because wanna modify, new consideration's the key. Unless it's good, thief dispute, then you're free. A bird is nobody could have foreseen at the start. Florida cuts you slack when life falls apart. NYLEGS, sing it with me now. Marriage, year, land, executor, shorty ship. Wow! Florida tax on 3 more to the list. Newspaper subscriptions, loan commitments exist, and doctors who promise a medical result better get it signed, or the claim will hop. Per performance, people land deal gone wrong, need 2 or 3, and here's the song. Paid the price, took possession of the ground, or made improvement. 2 or 3 are bound. Minors can't void what they signed as a kid, unless it's a loan for school or med bills paid or hid behind a marriage or emancipation's door. Then they stuck with the deal, no disaffirming for sure. Way. Minor breach means damages, keep on performing still. Material breach, now you're excused, that's the thrill. Liquidated damages, need 2 things true. Hard to guess the harm, and a reasonable forecast too. But give them a choice, liquidated or actual harm. Florist strikes the whole clause down, sounds the alarm, and attorney's fees. The American rule stands tall, no fees unless statute or contract says at all. Predominant purpose, essential terms tight. Moral consideration just doesn't bite. My legs +3 per performance for land. Minors get out unless statutes demand. Material breach excuses, minor breach don't. Liquidated damages, no escape, cause it won't. American